All right, so this is going to be a video about easily uploading videos to YouTube using scripts. So I'm using the Google API. It's a little Python script, pretty simple. And then I'm taking that script and using it in a bash script. And this will just start FFmpeg, start recording my screen. And then afterwards, ask if I want to view it, and then ask if I want to upload it to YouTube. And I can cancel the recording with this command, and it's all tied into DWM. So I have DWM shortcuts to do all this, so to run all these scripts. So I can do that DWM command, video name, test, YT, upload, whatever, Y loading, why not, hashtag, or yeah. I added a bunch of symbols to show that you can without it interfering with anything. And then I'll let it record, show that I'm doing whatever, stop the recording, don't want to view, sure. And you can see that worked. Do I want to upload to YouTube? Yes. Hello there. I'll do a link. Why not? Tags, comma separated. Hit OK to upload. Just wait. Upload succeeded. Let's see if it actually did. Yep, it did. It's pending. Let's wait, see if it loads. It looks like my description's there. Looks like my title's there. Okay. It looks like I got my tags. Not in the same order, but they're still there. Video set to private. Yep. That looks like the video. And I'm going to delete it because I don't want to keep that there. And there you go. Uploading videos to YouTube in a convenient way.